In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your contact management process, this guide will walk you step by step through importing your contacts efficiently, all within just 5 minutes. First, let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot website. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to sign in. For a seamless experience, especially if you're using a Google account, go ahead and select the Sign In with Google option. Just choose the Google account that's associated with your HubSpot profile, and you'll be ready to move forward. Next, you need to access HubSpot's CRM. From the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand panel and select CRM. This is your hub for managing contacts, leads, and more. Within CRM, click on Contacts, which will bring up the section dedicated to all your existing and incoming contact data. Now look to the top right corner once more and you'll see the Import button. Clicking on this will lead you to the Import settings. Choose the Import Data option to signal that you're about to bring new contacts into your HubSpot account. Moving forward, hit Start Import, which will kick off the process. At this point, you'll need to specify what kind of data you're importing. Is it just contacts, or do you have other types of data such as companies or deals? Select accordingly and then proceed by clicking Next. At this stage, you'll be prompted to upload your file. Click on Choose a File and browse through your computer to locate the contact data file, usually in a CSV format that you've prepared for this import. Once you've selected your file, it's time to hit Next again. Now it's crucial to map the columns from your file to the corresponding HubSpot properties. This step ensures that each piece of data is aligned correctly with HubSpot's fields, like mapping your file's email column to HubSpot's email property. Once each column is properly mapped, click on Next. As the process nears completion, you'll be asked to agree to HubSpot's terms and conditions. Carefully read through, and if all looks good, agree to the terms. The final step now is to click on Finish Import to complete the process. And just like that, you've imported your contacts into HubSpot, streamlining your outreach and CRM management efforts. Remember, keeping your contacts updated ensures effective communication and a more personalized interaction with each lead or client. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to revisit this guide. Thank you for watching, and happy importing.